What is the Quran?
The Holy Quran is Allah's message which was revealed to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. With regard to its subject matter, the Quran is an account of Prophet Muhammad's preaching and warnings to the people of Makkah and Medina. The Holy Quran consists of 114 chapters, mostly in pairs. These were revealed either in Makkah or Medina. These chapters are divided into 7 major groups. Each group begins with a chapter revealed in Makkah and ends with a chapter revealed in Medina. From 2nd to 7th group, it gives the reader a top-down view, which means the book is arranged from conclusion to beginning. The first group discusses satisfactory completion of reasoning to Jews and Christians, the announcement of new representative nation of Almighty Allah, purification and cleansing of followers of Islam, final oath and commitment between Almighty Allah and followers of Islam. The second group discusses satisfactory completion of reasoning to polytheistic Arabs, purification and cleansing of followers of Islam, the implementation of final divine punishment of Almighty Allah to non-believers. The third, fourth, fifth and sixth group discusses glad tidings and giving warnings of Day of Judgment, purification and cleansing of followers of Islam. The seventh group discusses warnings of Day of Judgment to leaders of Makkah and satisfactory completion of reasoning to them, warning of severe punishment if the message of Prophet Muhammad is not accepted, prediction of Prophet Muhammad's overthrowing power of leaders of Makkah. In a nutshell, while reading it, you will experience as you are witnessing the whole prophetic life of Muhammad, peace be upon him, in front of you. So, what's stopping you to read it?